Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily move your Google Sheets file to a new locations. So in here, I've already opened spreadsheet files on my Google Sheets and I want to, let's say, move the file locations of this spreadsheet. So what you need to do, there are two options. You can just, first, you can just go to File at the top left corner and then you can scroll down until you find the move option. Tap on that and you can just select a new locations of you on your Google Drive. That's the first method. And the second method is you can just click on this folder icon at the top that says move. So when you click on that, it will also open the move uh, menu in here. You can see that the current location is on my drive, and let's say I want to move it into a specific folder, this one. So you can just tap on the location, the new location, and in here click on move. So that's it. That's how you can move file location of your Google's Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.